Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to discuss about this circuit. As you can see here, this is the resistance network circuit, and we will calculate the equivalent resistance of this circuit and then current of the whole circuit, and then also voltage across the each resistance and current also in each resistance. So you can see here is the main circuit, and this is the reduced circuit of this, and this is also then reduced circuit of this. So you can see here this branch and this branch are in parallel, but this 6 ohm resistance and 4 ohm resistance are in series. So we can calculate the equivalent resistance of this as 6 ohm plus 6 ohm. You can see here equivalent resistance of 6 ohm plus 4 ohm will be 10 ohm. So here is the 10 ohm is equivalent resistance of this. Now this equivalent and this 10 ohm are in parallel. So how we will calculate this? By the direct formula, 10 ohm into 10 ohm divided by 10 plus 10 120 equal to 5 ohm. So this is the 5 ohm, and as you can see the parallel combination of parallel result of these resistance will be in series with 7 ohm resistance. So 5 ohm in series with 7 ohm resistance. So now the addition of 7 and 5 ohm resistance is 12 ohm. Now we have the equivalent resistance Req equal to 12 ohm. So by Ohm's law, and we have voltage. So by Ohm's law, V upon I, we can calculate the I of the circuit. Total I 24 divided by 12 ohm equal to 2 ampere. So here will be current will be 2 ampere. Whole circuit current 2 ampere exit from the battery and 2 ampere entering from the battery. 2 ampere and 2 ampere. Now you can see here is the 7 ohm resistance in series. So current will be same here 7 ohm. So we can calculate the voltage across this circuit. So voltage across this circuit will be by Ohm's law V equal to R into I equal to 2 into 7 14 volt. So here will be 14 volt drop. 14 volt drop. So 14, you can see here at this point there is a 24 volt and drop is 14 volt. So what will be the voltage of this point? Voltage on this point will be, suppose this is the point A, so voltage at point A will be 24 minus 14 equal to 10 volt. So here will be 10 volt. So now at this point there will be 10 volt, and now you can see here this branch and this branch are in parallel. So voltage for this branch and this branch will be same. So voltage at this point is 10 volt and resistance is 10 ohm. So we can calculate the current of this branch, and now here you will get the 2 ampere current. So 2 ampere current will be divided here and here. Suppose here is I1 and here is I2. So for this branch we have non 10 ohm resistance and voltage at this point, and voltage also this point will be 0 volt because this is the ground terminal of the battery. So you can calculate the current across this resistance. So current across 10 ohm resistance will be 10 volt divided by 10 ohm 1 ampere. So I1 equal to I1. So this current will be I1. Now you have the current known for this branch and this branch, so you can calculate the current of this branch. So total current is 2 ampere. IT equal to I1 plus I2 equal to 2. I1 is 1 ampere. I1 is 1 ampere plus I2 unknown. So I2 will be 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So I2 will be 1 ampere. You can also calculate by another way, because you have the 10 volt here and here will be 0 volt. So resistance of this branch is 10 ohm. So you can calculate the by Ohm's law. So voltage across the branch I2 will be total resistance 6 plus 4, sorry, voltage across the branch, voltage is 10 volt and resistance across the branch 6 plus 4, so 10 volt divided by 10 ohm equal to 1 ampere. You can also calculate like this. Now we can calculate the voltage across the 6 ohm resistance and 4 ohm resistance, because we have the known value current flowing through this and this. So we can calculate the voltage across the 6 ohm resistance. Voltage across 6 ohm resistance will be I into R, 6 into 1 equal to 6 volt, and voltage across the 4 ohm resistance will be 4 into 1 current into voltage, so 4 volt. So I hope you got this question, calculation of this question, and if you got something from this question, so like my video and channel and subscribe my channel and share it to the your friends, and press the bell icon for the next coming video notification. Thank you. Jai Hind.